Well, hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to use Stripe for beginners. You can collect online payment with Stripe. In order to begin, we're going to go over to stripe.com, and on this colorful Stripe website, you can see some details where you can receive payment, make payment worldwide, and connect with your customers and clients alike. So here, when you get to the website, you can see different options such as products, payment options, terminals, solutions for enterprises, startups, different business models, and many more. And you also have the pricing for Stripe. Right away, to begin, we're going to click on sign in at the top right area here. So you'll be taken to this page where you can put in your email and password if you already have an account. You could also use a sign up with passkey or use single sign-on option. But if you're new to Stripe, as I assume you are, you're going to click on create account. And on this registration page, you get to put in your email, your full name, your password, and your country. After you've done that, you can click on this as an option to get emails from Stripe and then create account. So I'll meet you on the other side. Now, after signing up on the Stripe, you're going to see this orange ribbon of a message at the top here. It says here test mode, and this is because we haven't completed our profile. It says you're using test data, and to accept payment, you need to complete your business profile. This is exactly what you're going to see when it's your turn. So in order to fix this, you're going to come over here to complete your profile. For the sake of this tutorial, I will be clicking on this complete profile so you can see how it looks like. So here you have your business type, your personal details, your verification document, business details, and public details. So for your verification document, it says you need to verify using your name, and you'll need to click on here to verify with photo ID or skip for now, but you'll need to have this for sure. And then here on business details, you're going to put in all the information about your business that they might ask for. You get to add your bank details in order to receive payment from others. So here you have the main banks here. And if you're not finding your bank here, you can enter your bank details manually instead in order to have yours. Among the popular ones, you have Chase, Wells Fargo, Capital One, and Bank of America. And then you're going to add extras. And the step 3, automate tax collection on your sales. So this helps you out in that regard. And then when you're done, you can click on review and finish, complete, save and exit, and then you will be out of the test mode. So back here on the main dashboard, we're going to be talking about this sidebar where you have different options and services. Starting with the first option, you have new businesses. It's a drop down, and when you click on it, you can see new business, sandboxes, and create new account. And this option is made by Stripe, as Stripe allows users to manage multiple businesses under one account. So although you have just this account, you can click on create new account, and you can put in the details right here and click on create. Then here under top ups, this is a section where your funds which you added to your Stripe balance will be shown. And of course, you have your payouts. You also have transactions, and this provides a detailed list of all payment transactions processed through Stripe. You can filter the search transactions, view details, and issue refunds. For example, if you want to create a payment, you can click on here. And if you want to send an invoice, send a payment link, a subscription, or a manual payment, these are options you can go with. Now you have customers. Now this is a customer management section where it allows you to store and manage customer information, including payment methods, subscriptions, and payment history. You can add emails, cards. You could add a test customer if you want, where you put in the name, the email of that account, the description, and the billing information right here. So you can have your customers in this section. Then we have a product catalog. Now this is where you get to define your product and pricing within Stripe. This is used to create a structured data used during checkout processes. This allows for easy creation of payment links, so you don't need to do everything manually. You also have the option as a shortcut to have your payment link right here. So say you want to receive payment, you can click on create test payment link. And at the top here, you have select to type, product or subscriptions, and you can have customers choose what to pay. So here it's best for tipping, donations, or pay what you want. So say we want to click on that, and you can see the payment page. Now on this payment page, you're going to give it a name, give it an image, depending on the service or product or whatever the payment represents. You can have an upload right here. Of course, this is optional. And then you also have the description, which is also optional. You have the currency in US dollars, and you can change it to the great number of currencies right here. And then here you have a suggestion of a preset amount. And when you click on it, you can see that you can edit it as you wish. You could also set limits such as minimum amount and maximum amount. So let's say you're talking about a service or a cause, Save the Children. So just a random example, Save the Children, and you have Save the Children right here. And whoever is making a donation or a gift will be able to put in the amount. And you also have advanced options. Here it says pay as a call to action. So you can see pay right there. You also have the option to click on book. And as you're changing it, you can see it right here, change to book. And one more time, if we click on donate, we have donate right there. So this is why this is an advanced option. It's by default on pay. And here you can limit the number of payments, add custom fields, allow business customers to provide tax IDs, and the other options are available. Now you have the payment page, and as we mentioned before, we've given it a name where they can put in some details, and whether it's in the desktop view or on the mobile view, you can see how it looks like. Then we have the after payment option. Now here you have the confirmation page. Of course, after payment, you want your customers or those who are donating to have a message afterwards. So you have show confirmation page, and you have the option to replace with custom message. So when you click on this, you will have the option to put a custom message. So for example, if it was a gift or a donation payment link, you want to write in a custom message. So you could have something as long as this, and you can see how it looks like on the mobile version. If it's on the PC, you can see it right here. And of course, if you don't want to show a confirmation page, you can click on this, but it's best to show a confirmation page so others know exactly that they've had a successful transaction. And then in some cases, if you'd like to have a post-payment invoice, you can create an invoice PDF to be sent to the payer as a confirmation. But do take note that Stripe charges a 0.4% of the transaction total, and with a maximum of $2 per invoice. So of course, we can click on update link. So if this is an update to what you had before, you have that option. And if you want others to pay, you have the URL. So when we click on this to copy it, and we open a new browser, and we open a new tab, press on enter. So here you can see $1,000 for Save the Children as a donation. You can see the email, the card information, card holder name, country or region, and click on securely save my information for one-click checkout. And this is the choice of the payer if they want this for the future. And when they're done, they can click on pay 1,000. And when they pay, you will receive it in your balances. It's going to be right here. And it's also going to pop up in your transactions section. So this is how you can use Stripe for your business, for creating payment links and payment options to make transactions easier for you and your client, or if it's a donation or a service you're conducting, you'll be able to use Stripe easily and more efficiently. If you're a beginner, we hope at this point Stripe is easier for you to use, and we hope you have a success in setting up your Stripe account.